What the heck just happened? Yo, yo, yo! This is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, we are going to level up some of our characters and we will see if we have enough. So again, our 3 stars can now level up to 115. Our 4 stars can now level up to 120 and our 5 stars stick at 120. Let's just first use our 2-star level up manuals, guys.
This right here, this is the real thrill of growing stronger.
Ooh. Well, let's do this in order, guys.
I'm so happy. I can't even keep a straight face right now.
Come to think of it, why am I prioritizing 3 stars? I should be leveling up my 5 stars right now, guys. Phoebe.
Our bond is unquestionable.
Our bond has grown so strong.
And several more characters, guys. Most of the characters here we haven't even touched yet. So Ethan, your turn. 167. This might take a while, guys. Should I skip this? Should I skip this? Once it reaches level 60, I'll skip.
Finally, we made it to the top.
And that's Ethan. Now to touch some of the characters we haven't touched yet. Signasut Elesa is coming out really soon. I'm curious and excited about that. 169, guys, to level up from 0 or level 1 to level max. I'll skip when it reaches 50. Or 25. 50 is a bit too long.
find you.
And that was Alyssa. Moving on, guys. Grimsley. 169 if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Same thing, I'll skip once we reach level 25. How to skip? Tap the screen.
Looks like I'm holding all the cards now.
One more 5-star, guys. Caitlyn. Have to replenish 3-star level up manuals after this.
Now.
Her cap is cut, kind of distracting, slightly. And that's it, guys. That's all of our 5 stars. Let's move to 4. There are a lot. Oh my goodness. Starting with ourselves. 47. Pretty sure we won't have enough. Misty. Drake.
We've reached the pinnacle.
Kind of wanna prioritize some characters first. Let's do Corinna. Three-star that became 4-star.
Yes! Don't you think we're the strongest?
And then let's do How, guys.
To the max!
Where's Koga? Anyway, Signisut Rock.
Nobody can crush us now.
Guys, take this time to check Signesut Brock earlier. Signesut Brock, where are you? Signesut Brock. No, not Brock. Signesut Brock. Oh, never mind, guys. Earlier, his name is like reaching the maximum character capacity. Anyway. Price.
Witnessing the fruits of our labor together brings a smile to my face.
Let's do Flint.
We're on fire! Now we're unstoppable!
Agatha.
Mark my words, I don't plan on retiring ever.
Ourselves. Who else, guys? Roxanne. Very, very tanky.
I did it! All my studying paid off!
Tape.
Awesome! I can feel power flowing through me!
Bugsy.
Bug-type Pokemon are deeper than people give them credit for.
Do I have enough, though, to level up Thornton to max? I do. Let's do it. Gonna skip at 25.
My analysis yielded optimal results. Get ready to witness some truly amazing battles.
His stats are so balanced. Almost. Bruno? Or should we do Aegislash instead? Wickstrom. But you're not yet maxed. 120 for Bruno. Let's do Bruno instead.
if we can surpass the limits of our own strength.
And guys, I think that's it for now. I don't have enough already to level up any more characters. They won't level up to max because I only have 12 left, and that's not enough. Not enough at all. Nope. I'll see you guys later. I'll collect first. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. Rawr.